This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and PC. Enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and connect to a computer with ADB installed. Once done, verify the connection with a DB devices so you know the device is visible. Make a full backup now. This is critical because the only reliable method requires modifying system resources. Also confirm you have root or a custom recovery like TWRP, because without root access, you cannot replace the charging animation files. You now pull the system resource APK and edit the actual animation assets. Use a DB pull to copy /system/framework/framework-res app or the overlay package to your PC. Then decompile with APK tool to find charging animation. XML and the PNG frames, modify frames or XML timing as you need. Once edited, rebuild the APK with a tool, sign the rebuilt package, and verify file permissions. Make sure the package matches the original resource structure so the system can load your custom animation. You finish by remounting /system as read-write and pushing the signed APK back into place with a DB or a file manager in TWRP. Then set ownership to root and permissions to 644. Reboot the phone and plug in the charger to confirm the animation changes. If the phone fails to boot or the animation breaks, immediately boot recovery and restore your backup or remove the modified APK. That single restore step fixes most problems caused by resource edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.